chicken flautas. So roast some tomatoes, tomatillos, onions, garlic, and jalapeno. Boil some chicken, shred some chicken. You got your roasted veg, you put it in a blender, you add some chicken stock that you just made, boiling your chicken, you blend it up, you add the sauce to your shredded chicken, cook for about 10 minutes to reduce. Fill up a dang tortilla, roll up that fat boy. I pan fried with olive oil this time. And today I'm adding white and red cabbage, and before that smearing on some goat cheese. There's your pollo de Tinga Flautas. Make it, don't be scared, please. And please add salt and pepper. Oh, for the love of God, I just forgot to put it in. You guys know that. Come on.